We're back. Hey llamas, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be just asking people what their favourite animal is on Animal Jam. And if we have time, and if this video doesn't take ages with the stupid Animal Jam glitches, then I might also ask if people are happy that dogs and cats are being added to Animal Jam, because I want to know. I'm not that happy about it, I'm not going to lie, but I want to know what other people think, because your opinion matters. So let's go do that. I'm going to try trading people to ask them, because it seems like the easiest thing. Bean, but it's so annoying. I need to turn the trade chat on. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Let's try again. Hi. Quick question. First, wow, I'm so slow at typing. Oh my gosh. Your favorite AJ animal? Thank you. Okay, now we wait. I'm gonna do animal. And I'm gonna get a little gift ready, because I want to gift them for putting up with me and my annoyingness. Okay, German Shepherd 1. Okay, now, just for vid. Thank you. Now I gift them because I wasted their time, basically. There you go. Well, I'm running low on pets. Oh, I'm gonna say you too, because I like Happy Pride Month. So we have one for German Shepherd, which I wasn't expecting, to be fair. The German Shepherds look cool. Let's go somewhere else, shall we? I'm probably gonna ask 5 people, and then we can decide. I hope we actually get 2 of something. If we don't get 2 or more of something, then we're gonna have to ask more people. So I need to repeat what I said. Oh, dang it. You look nice to ask. I have nothing to gift you right now, but you're gonna get something anyway. Hi. What is your fate? What? Okay then. I'll just say it out loud. It's gonna be quicker. Wow, I'm really good with grammar right now. I have no question marks. My English teacher would be so proud. Cool. I'm not gonna be able to gift everyone that replies to me, because I need a cat. Everyone's liking the new domesticated animals, and I'm kind of disappointed. I'm kidding, I'm not. I just wish someone shared my feeling of not liking the new animals. Oh, they were saying yes, and I thought they were replying again. Please, somebody reply to me. Come on, guys, please, 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 please. Wow, this is going great. Well, oh, okay, they're gonna answer. Please say something non-domesticated. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yay. Someone said coyote. I was secretly hoping someone would say that because that's obviously my favorite. Cool. I like you. Okay, that's good. This is really not going the way I expected. No one said fox and no one said Arctic wolf yet. So, we need to actually... We're gonna have to ask like 10 people. Wait, it's good just here. Sometimes like a lot of people here. Someone please reply to me. Okay. Ooh, I'm not gonna like let me just say cool. Okay. There we go, we have maned wolf. I'm really surprised by this. Like everyone has this brings up a new question. Why does everyone play Arctic wolf? Oh, well, otters are cute. I like otters. They're nice. Wait, I'm gonna also say cool to them. Question mark? You don't know? Okay. Sure, animal journey. I want my dinner, guys. That cute little skunk. Yeah, the skunk is cute. I'm just gonna do a smiley face at this point. Why do my smiley faces not work? Oh, it went too quick then. Smiley face. Links. Oh, nice. Right, they will know deep inside that I'm responding to them. I just don't have time for this because I want my dinner and I want to feed my guinea pig. Da da dum 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 da dum da dum dum dum. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Come on, guys, reply. I feel like the gift technique works well, because then I don't feel guilty for wasting people's time. Guys, I think we might have a winner. 2 people said Julian Shepherd. Coolio. Hi everyone, how are you doing? Because I own one. That's nice. That's nice. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm guessing you wouldn't have bought it if you didn't like it. Ba-ba-dum. Oh, they actually have a real one. Oh, I love big dogs. I want a dog so much. The struggles. I want a Great Dane. Oh, I don't have time for this now. I'm sorry. I hate declining trades. This is a bad moment to trade me. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna buddy them to make it up to them. Please tell me they have buddy requests on. I like them because they have a German Shepherd. Yay, they buddied me. They have a German Shepherd, so I like them. Oh, so cute. Okay, I would like to be your friend. Wow, I can't just buddy everyone, but wait a second. What is your favorite? I need to ask one more person. You know what? I think I'm going to end the video here. Okay, I'm just going to say be Aubrey, because I'm going to talk this person in a second. I want to know more about their dog. It's so cute. I like German Shepherds. So, I think... Kakulama. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here is my lovely dragons from my other video. Thank you, by the way, to the people who made that digestive frog. Digestive? I like digestive. And Angel O'Demian. Thank you to those two. I'm pretty sure that Digested Frog is selling master blocks like that in their shop, so go check it out. I'm not sure about the Angel O'Demian. They might be. I don't know. Maybe. but go check them out too, in case they have any. Anyways, I think we're gonna wrap that video up there. So that was pretty surprising. A lot of people like the dogs and cats. Oh, my pet's so purring. I needed to use that. So why do I get distracted so often? It's just embarrassing. So yeah, a lot of people like the German Shepherd. That's what won, I think. I like them. They're okay. I'm not a huge fan of the domesticated animals. I guess that's a video for another day. You know, I was really expecting for there to be Arctic wolves and foxes, but no one said that. I don't know. This surprised me a little bit. Yeah. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. You haven't seen the last of me. I will be back. So, bye. See you next time. Laters.